Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect It Takes Two. This unique game is built from the ground up for two players, making cooperation essential. One fantastic feature is that only one person needs to purchase the full game. Your friend can then download the Friends Pass, allowing them to join your adventure at no additional cost. This makes it incredibly easy to jump into the fun together, whether you are playing locally or online. To begin your cooperative journey, first launch It Takes Two from your game library. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu and select the Play option. Here, you will be presented with two choices: play online if you are connecting with a friend remotely, or play local for a shared screen experience. For online play, it is crucial that both players have a reliable internet connection to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted gaming session. If you are playing online, after selecting Play Online, you will see an option to Invite Friend. This is where the Friends Pass comes into play. Your friend needs to have downloaded and installed this free pass on their respective gaming platform. Once they have it ready, simply open your platform's friends list through the game and send them an invitation. They will receive a notification and can then accept to join your game. For those preferring to play side by side, local co-op is straightforward. Simply connect two compatible controllers to your gaming console or PC. Then, from the main menu, select Play Local. The game will automatically split the screen, allowing both players to jump into the action instantly. If you encounter any connection issues, double-check your internet connection for online play or ensure both controllers are properly recognized by your system for local play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.